Many students fail this question. Which polygon has a greater sum of interior angles? Is it a heptagon or 3 triangles? Don't answer yet. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed flat shape that has 3 or more straight sides. Flat means the shape is two-dimensional and has no volume, no capacity, and no height. Here are some polygons, the number of sides they have, and their shapes. Because polygons have only straight sides, but other shapes may have curved sides. So all polygons are shapes, but not all shapes are polygons. If one wants to find the sum of the interior angles in any polygon, what is the fastest method to use? Look at it. Catch this. Catch this. I know you caught it, but why should we use the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees to find the sum of interior angles in any polygon? Please find out in the next video. What is the sum of interior angles in a heptagon? A heptagon has 7 sides. Using the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 times 180 degrees is equal to 900 degrees. To find the sum of interior angles in a triskaidekagon, a polygon with 13 sides, using the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is equal to 13. 13 minus 2 is 11. 11 times 180 degrees is equal to 1980 degrees. But what if one is required to find the exact size of each angle in a polygon? Look at it. Spark it. Spark it. Now that we've got that, if one is asked to find the size of each interior angle in any polygon, we use the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. For an onagon, which has 9 sides, we have 9 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 9, giving us 7 times 180 degrees divided by 9, and the answer is 140 degrees. For a tetradecagon, also known as a tetradecagon, we have 14 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 14, giving us 12 times 180 degrees divided by 14. And the answer is 154.29 degrees. Now, I know that you can answer the first question. Which polygon has the largest sum of interior angles? Is it a heptagon or 3 triangles? Go ahead and type your answer in the comments. Also, show the biggest polygon you can solve using this formula, and share this to someone who is afraid of solving the sum of interior angles of polygons, just like I was in the past. Thank you.